Hey, Rocky. You like that ball? Huh? You like the ball? Yeah, you do. Merry Christmas, Rocky. First Christmas here. I'm surprised that you rocked over there and in the room. Yeah, waking up. You like that ball, huh? What the? Man, why should you finish off this ball? Oh, man. I can tell you'll be stuffed. But anyways, I'm gonna have to give you another big one. Your very first Christmas. You will be eating that for days. 2000. He knows when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows when you've been bad or good. So be good for goodness sake. You better not shout. You better not cry. You better not sing. 'Cause I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Oh, man. It took you 3 hours to get this close, Rocky. 3 hours! Well, I really don't care. At least you're chewing on it. Huh. You're kind of right. You do kind of look like a naked rat. But rats do have some, I think, longer tails. But hey, you're a Jack Terry wrestling shit. I'll watch. Okay. Okay. Rocky, look it up. Look up the camera. Hurry up. You're finally tearing up a piece. What the? Put it back on that plate. Oh, you want the meat? Want the meat? This is what a dog does to meat. He clears out the bottom, then goes up to the biggest, juiciest part of them all. Oh, you love that bone. Little Jack Terry Russell was only a few months. That's only a few months old. Yeah, well, he has a big appetite like a big dog. German Shepherd or a Pit Bull? Oh. Eat it! Eat it! Eat it! Eat it! Eat it! Man, it looks like there's been blood all over that thing. Oh man, that thing's torn up. And I can't believe you bit through a bit of the bed. One of them's made of metal. Rocky. Eh. So you're 8 months old already. I guess that. Huh. Juliet. Oh yes, you love that bone. You love it so much. Now, it's gonna be time that I get the bigger one. Time for the bigger one. Oh yeah. You'll be stuffed. I'll be disposing this one. It's already done. You'll chew up that one. This is what happened to a bone. No, I should keep playing the football. You have one to eat now? Hey, 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 hey. Eat it? Yeah, I should dispose of it. For now. Look at him. He's like a very small velociraptor. Or a chupacabra puppy. Go on. Eat up. Eat up, you little puppy. Come on. Eat that turkey. You rub turkey all over that thing. And I know how much you love the turkey. Sure. Is a lip side with a loose piece of meat. Hey, don't sniff the camera, bro. Well, a dog that eat bone, small dog, big bone, part one. Then as he starts chewing on another, on this bone. I'll lay it in. And here's a few seconds of him drinking. Small dog, big bone. Like, subscribe, favorite. Nope. Don't sniff it. Oh. See wall? Like toy. Peace. Ah. Oh, you think